Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Why don't you take your hair down at the party? You can have
I am. I'm gonna dye purple. So
Awesome.
funny.
For sure.
Yeah. So in honor of Susan, I'm gonna be purple.
Wow.
I know.
This total therapy in your life 24/7.
Yeah, I'm gonna be purple.
Tries to take me away from
I'll be like
you.
Barney. I'm gonna be Barney. Purple
Thomas, we
everything.
have to
What?
tell Susan she needs to start slowing down at work and enjoying life a
I
little
know.
bit more.
I know. Look at. Yeah. Look.
Look at us.
I'll have to give you a blue monkey. You have to come. Blue monkey. Look at blue monkey. That's the best coconut water ever. Organic blue coconut water.
Awesome. Where do you get it?
I bought it at Safeway.
Expensive, huh?
Whole Foods, they sell $3.99 a bottle. But they on sale right now at Safeway. But I bought all everything. You have to go to another one.
You bought everyone.
They-
You'll be
they-
buying the store.
They come in the glass bottle, so beautiful, right? I know. I like the bottle, and it's glass. I want to buy their
Water
stock.
bottle. But look at my water bottle.
Oh yeah, blue. I know. Beautiful. So you have to come to my blue party. Everything blue. We're gonna be painting.
I want
We have fun.
these.
I
Not
know.
really, but
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey,
They're very friendly.
they're so nice.
Yeah, they're babies. They just born 3 weeks ago.
How come you don't have any toys or any grip on the bottom